How to create an account on Cloud Library. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can create an account on Cloud Library. So to do that, first of all, download the Cloud Library app from either your Play Store or your App Store. And once you've downloaded the app, simply open it. Now, as soon as you open the app, you'll have to first of all select your language. So simply tap on the option, select language, and then choose your language. Now, once you've done that, you'll have to basically select your country, state, and your library. So for now, let me simply enter my country, my state, or my region, and then I'll select my library. After that, tap on the option next, and then tap on the option accept. Now, in order to sign in, you'll have to first of all enter your library card ID. After that, enter the PIN or the password of your library card. And once you've done that, tap on the option login, and you'll have successfully created an account or logged in to your cloud library. So that was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys. And if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.